Good evening to all the NEET PG aspirants and welcome back to my channel. So, hope your preparation is going really well. In this video, I will be telling you the target score for NEET PG 2024 exam. So, this video is really going to be very important, students. So, watch the video till the end and also do subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet. So students, I know that there are a lot of statistical analysis regarding score versus rank, the score which will give you a closing rank for each of the subjects. But I would ask you not to invest much time on all these things before your exam. You'll be having a lot of time after your exam for all these things, because these things right now at this point of time will unnecessarily impose much tension on you. Rather, I would ask you to channelize the time to your studies, because that's going to help you much more. But don't worry, I have done this thing for your benefit. So I was going through the last few year analysis, and from there I have come into the conclusion which I'm going to share with you. So I have kept this video very short and concise and very simple for your easy understanding, right? So if you ask me, students, what is the rank, what is the score, what is the target score you should be having, right? So this mindset you should be having before entering the exam hall, that you should have a goal, that this score I should be having, because unless you are having a goal, you will go clueless in the exam, which is absolutely not desirable. For this I have made this video, right? So the target score should be anything above 600. So I'm trying to be as realistic as possible, students. I'm not asking you to score as high as 750, 700, because a score more than 700 will give you a 1 to 2 rank, a rank between 1 to 10, right? So that's not possible for what I have made this video for average students, for the majority of the students. So for you, a score more than 600 will definitely give you a really good rank, because if you ask me regarding last year, so last year a score of 620 gave a rank of 1300, right? So anyway, you please have a target mindset that I need to score more than 600, because if you have a target mindset, then that will anyway come a bit down, right? So for 600 score, you need to mark 150 correct response, right? So if you are marking 150 correct, I'm always saying correct, right? So 150 into 4 gives you 600. But students, as you know, it's never possible that 100% whatever you are marking is going to be right. It's never possible. We are humans and we tend to do errors, right? So, and there is negative marking, right? So if you are marking around so how many questions to attempt, for that I've already uploaded a separate video. That's also a very important one. If you haven't gone through that, please do watch the video, and the link is there in the description box for your benefit, right? So for one, if you are marking 150 correct response, then it's 600, and that will give you any subject of your choice in any college you want, right? But if you are marking around 170, right, and you have marked 150 correct, so that means you have marked 20 wrong, means 600 minus 20 gave you a score of 580, right? So will you be getting anything in 580? Yes, of course. A rank of 580 is also not bad, so that will give you a rank somewhere around 4,500. That's what I feel. Okay, so there is a disclaimer, right? So whatever I'm saying, it's not going to be the exact, it's never possible, but as per the analysis of previous few years, I'm telling you all these things, right? So a score of 580, it's more practical that you have attempted 170, you marked 150 right and 20 wrong. So that will give you a score of 580, which will give you a rank of 4,000, around somewhere around 4,500 to 5,000. Okay, so that will also give you subjects like, you know, pediatrics, orthopedics, right? Next, so those are the students who have marked, you know, who have got a score of 560, right? So what are they going to do? Are they out of the competition? No. So for them also, they will also be getting a rank. If a rank of a score of 560 will give you a rank somewhere around 7,000 to 8,000. Okay, that's what I feel. So that's also a decent one, which will give you a decent subject, right? and for those a score of 500 around. Okay, I have come a lot down. So a score of 500 will give you a rank of around 18k, 18,000 in your unreserved categories, right? So this is the target mindset which you should be having before entering the exam hall, that if I'm attending 170 questions, 150 has to be correct to be in the competition in a good way, to be in the competition stress free, and to get any subject, dream subject of my choice. Okay, but if you are dreaming too high that no, only I will do nothing other than radio or dharma, so your target mindset should be at least you have to score 620, 20 wrong, 600. So above, anything above 600. So that's a very, very good score, right? So hope this video was useful, students. So wish you all the very best for your exam. We'll be meeting soon again. Bye-bye.